Good evening, I'm Trish Close.
I'm Dave DeRorange. Thanks for joining us. The Klamath Falls deputy shot in the face and side underwent surgery this afternoon. That surgery was supposed to happen yesterday.
Meanwhile, 2 of the suspects were in court today. That's tonight's top story at 6. William Parkerson and Karey Lee Pascoe were in the Klamath County court via camera this afternoon. The 2 accused of shooting Klamath County Sheriff's Deputy Jason Weber, both of them facing charges including attempted aggravated murder with a firearm. The suspects had their bail set at $10 million. It was originally $1 million each. Klamath County now dealing with dozens of crime investigations.
News 10's Whitney Clark continues her total coverage.
The Klamath County Major Crime Team has been called out 23 times in the last year and a half. The latest case, a deputy shot in the face and side. Investigators call it disturbing.
It's been 22 years in Klamath Falls since an officer has been hurt, and that officer unfortunately was killed. It's disturbing that we have so much violent crime, especially against law enforcement.
On Wednesday, Klamath County Sheriff's Deputy Jason Weber was shot during a traffic stop. Immediately on scene, dozens of investigators from all over Oregon, California, along with federal agencies. District Attorney Rob Patridge says crime statistics are high, and the Major Crime Team is being called out now more than ever.
It's a huge number of call-outs. I believe we've investigated over a dozen homicides in Klamath County.
Patridge says more than 200 people are put on probation every year, and prosecutors have doubled the amount of trials. With budget cuts, Patridge says investigators are being stretched to the breaking point.
People are just working harder and putting their shoulder to the grindstone to make it happen. But we're straining ourselves, and we're close to the breaking point. When every major felony deputy has 3 or 4 homicides in your office, you know that something is wrong, and we're going to need more resources soon.
For now, Klamath County investigators are getting the help they need to solve crime, while one of their own recovers in the hospital. Covering your news in Klamath Falls, Whitney Clark, News 10.
Now, Patridge says the county is considering putting a levy on the ballot soon to help the justice system. Meanwhile, Deputy Weber is still in serious but stable condition.